Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have another Amazon haul to share with you. So if you're interested in seeing all of the goodies that I have, then keep watching. Guys, you know I love doing my nails myself here at home. It's one of my favorite hobbies, and y'all know I'm all about saving coin. So this first item here is nail products. Y'all know I love Amazon for my nail products, and this is the kit. Now I've reviewed this kit here before on my channel. I'll have that video linked down below. This is the Azure Dip Powder Nail System. This is so easy to use, and girl, I promise you, your nails will look professional. You're gonna look like you just left the salon. So this is definitely something to invest in. It lasts a long time and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you actually get in this kit. And like I said, girl, it is so simple and easy to use. You're going to want to own this, okay? You're going to want to own this. It comes with everything you need to do a full dip powder set of nails. So these are all of your colors here. You get a red, a silver, and a pink, and this is like your building powder here, like this white. I like to use that as my building powder, but if you're advanced, girl, you can do some ombre nails. You can have you some cute pink and white nails going on, girl. But yeah, it comes with everything. You get some cuticle oil, a file, and a brush to knock off all the little excess powder. But yes, this is a really nice dip powder kit, girl. So simple to use, okay? So I did pick that up, of course, as you see. Now the next items are going to be kind of fashion pieces, okay? All right, now this is supposed to be a teddy coat. It looked really cute on the picture, so I ordered it. So we'll see what it looks like. Now it looks like it's in some type of shrink wrap, so let's see if it's really gonna look as thick and cozy as it looked on the picture. OMG, girl, it is in here tight like it's vacuum packed. Look at that. And this is supposed to be a coat. Let's see. Oh, time I opened it, it fluffed. It fluffed up a little. Okay, yeah, let's see. Still not as thick as it looked on the picture. Still rather thin, but it feels soft. It looks like it might be comfy, but definitely not as thick as it looks on the photo. It's clearly like the teddy like fabric with a little thin lining sewed directly to it. Like, it is super thin. But yeah, I got it in the size extra large, I do believe. I will have it linked down below should you be interested in it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and see if it actually fits. Let's see if it at least looks cute on. Okay, it's cute. It'll do. I'm not gonna complain for the price. It's okay. Thought it would be thicker, but it's definitely light. It's like a light sweater though, okay? So don't think that you're gonna be super warm in it in like 40 degrees or below weather. Like anything below that, girl, no, not even 40, okay? This is more like a good 50-degree sweater type outerwear, okay? Because it is thin, okay? Very thin. It looks cute and it looks blogger-esque, but it's nothing that's going to keep you extremely warm, okay? It's just cute. Very, very cute, very soft though. I do like it. Yeah, I'm not really so mad at it for the price. I'm not mad at it. I like it. So this is my little teddy jacket. So the next piece is another teddy-like piece because I'm so into that look right now. I'm into it. I just think it is so cute. I have one of these already, and I actually wore it in a previous Amazon haul video. And this one's gonna look almost like it, but in different colors, okay? So this is that teddy furry pullover, and I have it in the camel color, and it has the white and the burgundy chevron print on it, and I ordered it in a size extra large. These to me always just look so cute when I just pair them with jeans and my Kookaburra Ugg-like boots. It just looks so cute. It just looks cute, casual, ready for shopping, you know, a cute restaurant lunch. Just really cute. I absolutely love these. So cute and stylish. So like I said, all the links to these items will be down below, and this was really affordable. I want to say it was under $20 if I'm remembering correctly, but the direct link will be down below should you want to get your hands on it. And of course, what's an Amazon shopping experience without getting some shoes? Now, I've featured these in almost every Amazon haul so far. I'm obsessed with these winter boots, and I got another pair from the Bear Paw brand. So this is my second pair from Bear Paw. The last ones that I showed you were chocolate brown. Those were really cute. So this time I opted to get these in gray. Look at this, so cute, and these were even cheaper right now. I want to say they were under $35. Like I said, if I'm not mistaken, I ordered all this stuff like last week. So cute. These boots are so cute, so comfy, and so warm. Like I said, these are great UGG alternative boots. The quality is amazing. They feel amazing, girl. They're true to size, and I absolutely love the boots. They are so cute. What is this? Okay, it's just something stuck to the boot. I'm like, what? But yeah, super cute, super comfy. The craftsmanship is impeccable on these. Very nice UGG alternative boots. Very nice. So yes, girl, if you're looking to be stylish during the cold winter months, these are definitely the ones to pick up, along with the Kookaburra by UGG boots. Get some Kookaburras or some Bear Paw boots, girl, and you will be set, girl. Comfy and cute. I absolutely love these items. But yes, let me know what you think of today's haul, girlfriend. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up should you like this style videos from me, okay? But be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.